As I walk onto the stage, my body fills with emotion that supersedes all other emotions of my 10-year-old life. I realize the stage is bare. My nerves run wild with anticipation of what is about to happen to me in the next 2.5 minutes. Will they like me? Or will they hate me? Am I good enough? Will all the hours of sweat and roughness art get me through this moment? I tell myself, stop thinking about that and just enjoy where I am. Enjoy who I am, and enjoy what I love to do. As the stage starts to connect to my body, those nervous little butterflies begin to flow away. And the passion emerges to my heart, to my soul, to my body. The excitement begins to explode out of my skin, just to experience this moment. This amazing moment of joy, nerves, passion, concentration, love, fear, excitement, wonder, happiness. So much happiness to be doing what I love, to be experiencing just this. My feet, all the while trying to captivate you, and you, and you, and you, into this piece of art I call my perfect moment. But are you really watching me? Have you seen every move? Have you felt the contractions, the elongations, the fingers, the head? Are you listening to my thoughts? Are you listening to what I really have to say about my perfect moment? Do you really see me? Do you see my message through my eyes, through my soul? This is where I'm happy. This is where I truly belong. As this moment is just about to end, I can feel the stage beneath me again. I can see all your silhouettes staring at me in silence. I'd like to thank you for being a part of my perfect moment.